Do you like drinking tea? What's your favorite kind? Many people like black or green tea, but did you know there are many other types of tea you can try? Drinking different kinds of tea can be good for your health. Today, we're going to talk about a special kind of tea made from yam. Yam is a type of vegetable that looks a bit like a sweet potato. You can make a healthy tea from it. Drinking yam tea can help your body in many ways. It can make your immune system stronger, help your digestion, control your cholesterol and blood sugar levels, and even help prevent heart diseases. Some women drink yam tea to help them get pregnant because it can increase a hormone called estrogen in the blood, which can help with ovulation. Both men and women can drink yam tea because it has many benefits. Here are some good things about yam tea. It can help your digestion and treat constipation because it has a lot of fiber. It can lower bad cholesterol and blood fats because it has fiber that reduces fat absorption from food. It can help prevent heart diseases by reducing bad cholesterol and blood fats. It can control blood sugar because its fiber can reduce sugar absorption in the gut. It can make your immune system stronger because it has vitamin C, which is an antioxidant that protects your body's cells. It can help relieve menopause symptoms because it has a compound called diosgenin, which acts like estrogen. It can help women get pregnant because diosgenin can be transformed into another hormone in the body that regulates female sex hormones. Yam tea can also increase energy, fight inflammation, and strengthen the immune system. Anyone can drink it at any time of the day, but don't drink too much because it can cause weight gain and diarrhea. To make yam tea, you need the peel of 1 yam and 1 cup of water. Put the yam peel in boiling water and let it sit for about 5 minutes. Then let it cool, strain it, and drink it. You can add some sweetener if you want because yam tea doesn't have much flavor. If you're a woman trying to get pregnant, it's best to drink yam tea close to your fertile period to stimulate ovulation and increase your chances of getting pregnant. Yam tea is usually safe to drink in normal amounts, but drinking too much can cause nausea, vomiting, or diarrhea. It's not recommended for children, pregnant women, or breastfeeding women. If you liked learning about yam tea, like the video and share this information. Subscribe to our channel to get updates on new videos. Watch the videos we're suggesting above. They can really help improve your health. See you next time.